how to turn on or turn off settings in customize apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on customization service. After click on customization service, scroll down, you will see settings is here. If you want to turn off settings in customize app, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see customize apps setting is turned off. If you want to turn on setting in customize apps, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see customize in settings app is turned on. You will turn on or turn off settings in customize app from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off settings in customize apps on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.